Welcome back. Yoruba group raises alarm over influx of non-Nigerians across Southwest. Let's get into the details. Southwest Security Stakeholders Group on Thursday raised the alarm over the influx of non-Nigerians to all the 6 states in the Southwest. The group noted that the development threatens the peace of the region and therefore urged all governors, traditional rulers, and other stakeholders across the region to brace up for the security challenges so as to make the region safe for the residents. The group expressed this concern in a statement made available by its Publicity Secretary, Adewale Ireti, at the end of the meeting held at the residence of the convener and the Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Igba, Gani Adams. SSG said it was alarmed by the raging influx of non-Nigerians from Mali, Chad, Niger Republic, and other neighboring African countries to the southwest, noting sadly that it could no longer keep mute at the impending danger lurking around the region. After the meeting with leaders of the Southwest Security Stakeholders Group from across the Southwest, we agreed to raise the alarm over the influx of non-Nigerians invading the Southwest and wreaking untold havoc on the various communities in the Southwest. Information at our disposal actually showed the plans and aspirations of non-Nigerians with no identity and masquerading as motorcycle riders to perpetrate evil across the Southwest. From our investigation, many of the Okada riders in our communities are non-Nigerians with no identity and a place of abode. You can hardly trace them, and we have it on good authority that they usually hold weekly meetings every Friday after Jumat services at their various locations to strategize on the best approach for them to perfect their sinister motives against residents of the Southwest. A large percentage of them are from other neighboring countries like Niger Republic, Mali, Chad. They are motorcycle riders and have dangerous weapons stocked under the seat of their motorcycle, the group stated. The SSSG publicity scribe added also that the reopening of the Border had rather than being a blessing turned out to be a curse. Alleged findings show that non-Nigerians from Burkina Faso, Mali found their ways illegally to Iwoye, a town in Ogun that shares border with the Benin Republic. Our attention has been drawn to the various activities playing out at the border lately. They didn't allow duties, but they allowed non-Nigerians from Burkina Faso, Mali that found their ways illegally to Iwoye, a town in Ogun that shares the border with Benin Republic, the group said. Well, the Southwest Security Stakeholders Group have spoken, and they say that most of the Okada riders that are in the Southwest are mostly from other countries like Mali, Chad, Burkina Faso, and the rest. And they say that these people all are just there without no identity, and they have no place to stay. That every time after they go for the Jumat service on Friday, that they stay together to talk about how to invade and cause havoc in the Southwest. According to the Southwest Security Stakeholders Group, they stated that most of these Okada riders from Mali, Chad, Niger Republic, and Burkina Faso, that most of them hide knives and other weapons under their bike and perpetrate evil in the night. And they said that this is more prominent in Ogun State because Ogun State shares a border with Benin Republic. So the border, these people come illegally into Iwoye. So they are saying that they should do something about it. They have called on the governor and also the traditional rulers that they should take a measure against these people, because these people have no identity. They have no place of abode. They just roam around looking for evil to perpetrate, and that the amount of non-indigents in Southwest is becoming too much. And that most times it's all these back riders that they hide under the disguise of being motorcycle riders, of being Okada riders. That most of them just do this to perpetrate a lot of evil. That they have no good thing to offer. And that when you are staying in a state, you should be able to add value to that to the state, but that they're not adding any value, that they're just roaming around perpetrating evil under the disguise of them driving okadas. And this Southwest security stakeholders group have said that most of them had weapons under their okadas and perpetrate evil, and that they are always gathering after Jumat service to talk about how to invade the land, to carry out havoc, and that this is what they have been doing for a pretty long time, and that they should find a way to bring an end to all this. We see what the Fulani herdsmen are doing. And most times, these people have no place they stay. They are just under the disguise of Okada riders. And at the end of the day, they will use that means to carry out evil. So these Southwest people are saying that let us flush these people away. Remove them from the Southwest. They are nothing but trouble. They're not doing anything to make sure to make sure they are working. That they are not working, that most of them are using that Okada business as a front, as a cover to carry out their evil intentions deep down. And these people are likening all that is happening in their community. You see Fulani herdsmen come inside to burn houses, to abduct women, to do all sorts and manner of things. And now they are saying that these people might be informants for these Fulani herdsmen, that they might not carry out the acts by themselves. But some of them might be informants. Some of them might be people giving information to these Fulani herdsmen to attack these villages, to attack this land, which nothing has been proven yet. But the Southwest Security Stakeholders Group have stated that they need to act fast, and they have implored the governor of different states in the Southwest, and also the leaders, the traditional rulers, that they should do something fast and quick before this thing eats deep into the society. Because the more these people keep on coming illegally into different states, the more harm it will cause for the indigenes of that state. Let's just take a look at other countries in America. You can't just enter one state or the other anyhow. They do some random checks, they do some things. And even when you are planning on traveling to another country, they ask you, what value can you add to that country? That's one of the questions I know that they actually ask before you leave there. What value can you ask? What are you bringing to this nation? But that is the question we should be asking all these people that just come to our country. There's not even any security in this country at all. We allow people from other countries to come and do anything they want to do. But it's very hard for you for us to go to other countries and they will ask us what we're doing here. Even Ghana, that is our neighboring country, before you enter, they carry out strict security measures, no matter if you're coming from Nigeria. That's the question we need to ask. So this Southwest Security Stakeholders Group are saying that the governor should do something about it. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And give us a thumbs up, and also turn on your notifications to get more news updates from us as it comes. Thank you.